In spaces where allergens lurk, the Wi-Fi air quality monitor is a guardian angel for those battling sensitivities. This smart device is tailored to detect and alert you to high levels of pollutants, ensuring a healthier environment for all. Tailored for sensitive environments, the monitor is adept at identifying common allergens, like PM2.5, pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. Its high-sensitivity sensors provide real-time data, offering peace of mind to individuals with allergies or asthma by helping them stay one step ahead of potential reactions. Immediate alerts for swift action. With Wi-Fi connectivity, the monitor sends instant alerts to your smartphone when it detects elevated pollutant levels. This feature is crucial for those who need to adjust their environment quickly to avoid discomfort or exacerbation of allergy symptoms. Seamless monitoring and management. The user-friendly app allows you to monitor air quality in real time, set custom alerts, and control connected air purifiers directly from your phone. This level of convenience ensures you're always in control of your indoor air quality. Effortless setup and maintenance. Setting up the monitor is a breeze, with quick Wi-Fi connection and seamless integration with your smart home setup. The app guides you through any maintenance, ensuring the device operates smoothly and efficiently. Creating a comfortable sanctuary. For those living in allergen-prone environments, this Wi-Fi air quality monitor is more than just a gadget, it's a key to unlocking a healthier, more comfortable living space. It empowers you to take control of the air you breathe, making every moment at home a relief. For more information on how this monitor can transform your environment, don't hesitate to contact me. Visit my page and send an email using the provided address. I'll reply within 24 hours with all the details you need. Breathe easy, live well.